Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I bought a spoiler and I'm going to stick it on my Elise. So step one was just to dry off the car with a little towel. It always helps to have an extra pair of eyes, which is why I've got Alfie. Right mate? With the car now dry, I can put the spoiler in place and start to see what this is going to look like. So I didn't actually do any measuring in the end. I just kind of walked around the car looking at it from all these different angles until I was happy that it was in the right place. After several laps of the car, I was happy that it's in the right place, it looked symmetrical and straight, so I started to prepare to drill my clam. So again, no measuring as such, but I just put down some frog tape, and I was going to use a felt tip pen to just mark where I need to drill those holes. So the tape marked, it was time to get brave and get the drill out. To make the holes, I started with a 2mm drill bit, and then after that worked up to my 8mm, which is what I need for the bolts to get through the clam. To prevent moisture getting into the clam and damaging my paint, I'm painting the inside of these bolt holes to protect it. I didn't have any Bordeaux red to hand, so black will have to do. From here it's just bolting the spoiler to the clam and then seeing what it looks like. That ain't going anywhere.